Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the attendance sheets and attendance forms for secondary attendance. First place that you need to go is sheets.google.com. Make sure you're using a Life School email and not your personal, and you'll see the logo at the top right. If not, you will not be able to access this. So, once you are there, we need to go to Template Gallery at the top, and you should see 1st through 8th period templates for 7 through 12 remote learning attendance. I'm going to show you 1st period and then you repeat the steps for the rest. So if you just click on the sheet, okay, once the sheet loads, you should see this page right here. There should be an error. That's okay, we'll fix that later. Now the next place you need to go is forms.google.com, and we're going to go to the same place, the template gallery at the top right. Okay, on here you see the same thing, 1st through 8th. Again, we're going to do 1st period, so click on the 1st period form. Alright, once the form loads, the one thing you'll have to do on here before we continue, click on where it says campus, move over to the right and click the add question, the plus sign, and on the question just type today's date. If you notice, as soon as you type that and stop, it changes to date on the right. If it does not, make sure you change it. That's the only thing we have to do on this page. Now at the top where it says responses next to questions, we want to go there. We don't have any responses yet. Hopefully no one's taken attendance. We want to click on the green button over here where it says create spreadsheet. Now, since we already imported or copied our spreadsheet, we don't want to create a new spreadsheet. We want to select existing spreadsheet and click select. Now, you'll need to go find the right period for what you're doing. If you forget, at the top, up here on the left, it does say what period you are, so don't worry about that. And then you need to find the right period in here and click on select. Now this is the same one we had open just a minute ago. Okay, once this is loaded, at the bottom now we have form responses 1 and attendance checker. I would grab the attendance checker tab and slide it all the way to the left so that when you open this every day you don't see the form responses. It'll be one giant list of a bunch of stuff. I just want the attendance checker. So notice on here we still have this error. So if you click on the box with the error on it and press enter twice, so enter once, enter twice, and it changes to NA. That error is okay. That means there's no responses, but it will work. Now the way you use this form is whenever you want to take attendance, at the top where it says choose date here, you double click on that red box and you pick any day that you're trying to take attendance, and it will only show attendance for that day. And so if you need to go back to a previous day, if someone has a question, you can always go back and pick any day that you need to. Now if this is your 3rd period, you need to make sure you share with your PIEMS clerk on your campus. So how you do that is at the top right there is a green share button. You need to click on that share button and just type in the email of your PIEMS clerk. Now it is important that when you have their email in there, make sure on the far right that they are checked as an editor. That way if they need to change anything, that they can do that and not have to ask you for permission. They should be able to do what they need to. So make sure they're an editor and click Send. And you have just shared it with your PIEMS coordinator on your campus, and you are done with this.